Well, looks like we got her running. Got some funky mods in this dude. Just kind of wired one to this switch, not sure what it does. And no drive in it, so we hooked up a 1581. On this disc here, we got local 513 demos. So I wanted to demonstrate the SX I got going on. It was a dead SX, and we got her working. So I decided I want to load up a big ass program. 196 blocks, which is probably going to take a good minute. The keyboard actually works pretty nice, needs a little cleaned up. Good old YWN days. So we're going to load this puppy, and I'm going to show you what it's about. I got this tester board here, which is pretty fully socketed for the most part. The chip with the white dot on it was actually the bad one. So I had to kind of swap stuff out. One chip at a time. Took the main board out so I could figure out what was going on. It's got some weird relay in there. But I ain't dicking with it, man. It works. It works. So I was kind of proud, wanted to share with you guys. So we're going to load up the Headbanger demo. The 1581. This actually has Jiffy DOS in the drive, but not in the Commodore, but it should still load rather quickly. Kind of shy on space here, so this was kind of like my test bench today. So it's just probably going to take another 30 seconds. But I'm pretty happy, man. We got this dude working. Okay. Ready to load, or ready to run. Remember those days. On a 1 megahertz Commodore, 64K of RAM, actually 39K of RAM, but got her working. Thought I'd share.